Okay, now the last problem for section 6.7. Two ships leave at the same time. One ship sails north 23 degrees east at 11 miles per hour, and the other ship sails south 67 degrees east at 15 miles per hour. Approximate the bearing from the second ship to the first 1 hour after they leave. So the first thing I'd like you to do is draw a picture of this, one ship. So if we have, this is the coast where they're leaving from. So one ship is sailing north 23 degrees east. So he's going north and then east. This would be his bearing of 23. And the other ship sails south 67 degrees east. So the other ship is going off this direction, and this is 67 degrees. Now, one thing I want to point out, we need to find, a couple things I need to point out. We don't need to find that distance. We need instead to find the bearing. So if this is the north-south that is by the second ship, the bearing is going to be this angle here is what we need to find. So it's going to be north some degrees west from ship B to ship A. Let's label a couple other things. 1 hour after they leave, well, if he's going 11 miles per hour, then 1 hour after it leaves, it will have traveled 11 miles. And this ship is traveling 15 miles an hour, so that distance is 15. Let's also think about the fact that in a straight line, how many degrees are there in a straight line? Hopefully you remember from geometry that there's 180. Well, on this straight line, we already know that there's 23 of them there and 67 of them there. So altogether, that's 90 degrees, which means inside this triangle, coincidentally and works out nicely, that is also 90 degrees. So we are working with a 90-degree triangle. The next thing I'd like to remind you from geometry, if we look at, we have these two parallel lines, and they're cut by this transversal. And so if you notice, this is a 67-degree angle, which means this also has to be a 67-degree angle. They're opposite interior angles. So if I label this angle as alpha and this angle as beta, now we also know that alpha plus beta has to be 67 degrees. Well, we can see nicely that alpha is inside my right triangle, and these two sides, 11 and 15, in relation to that angle A, are the opposite and the adjacent. So I can find angle alpha. The tangent of angle alpha is the opposite, which is 11, over 15. Remember, to undo a tangent, we need to take the arctangent, or the inverse tangent, of the tangent of alpha, which means we have to take the inverse tangent of the other side as well. Inverse tangent and tangent undo each other, so alpha is the inverse tangent of 11 over 15. And if you pop that into your handy-dandy calculator, you get that alpha is 36.25 degrees. And now we're almost done, because remember, we need to find this angle, angle beta, and then put that directional bearing on it. So alpha plus beta is 67 degrees. 36.25 plus beta is 67 degrees, which leaves us that our beta is 30.75 degrees. So my bearing from this ship to this ship, it has to go north, and then it has to go 30.75 degrees, and then it has to go west. So its bearing an hour after they leave the shore is north 37.75 degrees west from ship B to ship A. Please come to class if that still didn't make any sense or you have some questions.